I plant maize, pigeon pea, green grams, cowpeas in my farm. We are bordering with Tsavo East National Park. Many wildlife come in my farm. Me, I'm in a conflict zone. My family always depend on the food I grow. It's just enough for my children. But sometimes elephants coming for crop pride in our farms. They will destroy every crop there. Sometimes people got hurt. I was nearly to give up because when I plant, everything is eaten by elephant, and my family depends on me. When I met Save the Elephant project, they introduced me to very small but very active soldiers, helping me to keep away elephants and protect my farm. The research of Save the Elephant project discovered bees can keep away elephants. I couldn't believe that elephants are afraid of small bees. But Ellis came to my farm, didn't manage to get inside because there was a bee fence and the elephant turned away. I have three major things I'm benefiting from bee fence: protecting my crops, pollination, because bees can pollinate my crops. When I harvest honey, I can even sell and pay school fees and help me buying some other things at home. The Elephant and Bees project transformed the community here through very good education and very good ideas so that we can keep on staying here and being friendly with elephants. Even I invented honey badger guards to stop honey badger stealing my honey, breaking my hives. I'm working hard with my family so that in future they should not suffer. We're busy like bees. By now I'm very strong because of bees. Bees are helping me in so many ways. My name is Hezron Zumu and I'm a honeybee. Join me and give your name to make a change for endangered species.